Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of the Game of Cryptos. Hopefully, you guys are all doing well. Today, the market is pretty red. Bitcoin has been down, and yeah, we're seeing a lot of red in the market. But guys, that's okay. Corrections are good when it comes to the bull run. If we want to go higher, you're gonna need to see, and you're gonna need to get used to seeing retracement in the market, and use these days to get ahead in DCA and those favorite altcoins and your favorite cryptos to really build up your bag to get ready for 2024 and what's to come in 2025, hopefully. As you guys can see today's video, I'm going to go over two cryptos today. This is the focus. It's Injective and it's a hello. And as you guys have probably noticed, they're both around all-time highs and they're basically breaking their all-time highs right now, which is really it's really nice to see. But yeah, kickstarting. We're gonna talk about Injective, but before I go to that article, let's check out the yearly crypto bubbles. And as you can see, you have things like Caspa that's up 1,500%, Render 700%, Sol 434%, and then right here, just move myself for a second, Injective 1,400%. Guys, you want to be in the market and put money in plays that are making tons and tons of gains. And guys, it's not too late to make money in this up and coming bull run. If you're someone that has been on the sideline, you can still get in and you can still potentially make good returns. Something like Caspa is going to be around, I think, even after this bull run. I really do see this being a blue chip crypto in the years to come and in the next bull run. Something like Render, guys. I think Render with the GPU, they're it's set up where you can lend your GPUs when it's not in use. It's as I've heard before, it's the Airbnb of GPU, which is huge. Like, guys, if you're not in plays that are impactful, really look at your portfolios and try and get in those plays that are gonna change the plays that are gonna potentially change the world. Uh, but yeah, so diving into this, so Injective has been one of the top trending cryptos lately in the last 24 hours, the last couple days, and you have other things like Relio, Nakamoto Games, Tectum. I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about Tectum on this channel. It's a scaling payment solution for Bitcoin. They use soft note technology. But yeah, guys, Injective has been doing really well. It's a layer one. Um, Injective, if you look at its all-time chart, it has been in a previous bull run. As you can see, back in 2021, it did peak out around $21. But as you can see right now, it is surpassing its all-time highs. And guys, it's surpassing its all-time highs arguably in the midst of still the bear market or pre-bull run, even before the Bitcoin happening. How many cryptos do you guys know that have passed their all-time highs in this stage of the game? There's probably not many, probably just a couple. So this to me is extremely bullish. Circulating supply, some of the tokenomics, it's got a decent amount already out. It's got 100 million supply, and it's got 83.7 million out in circulation. Guys, to me, that's really bullish. I see I see the potential for Injective. But again, Injective is a layer one blockchain focusing on finance, and just it's got a lot of things building on it, and really scalable. And I think this could be a contender to possibly be in the top 10 in the up and coming bull run. I really do see something like Injective being in the top 10. And I think it's going to be a really good play. Honestly, it's got a $2 billion market cap. I definitely can see this being at least well over $100, maybe even 200. So definitely, maybe even a 10x right now. So if you're looking for a pretty good, safe play, and you're looking for maybe a 5 to 10x, I think Injective is a really, it's a really good play. And honestly, it could go even higher. You're not gonna know until it's already happening. But yeah, Injective, guys, if you don't have this in your portfolio, I mean, would I recommend it at this exact moment? Maybe not, because again, it is in its, it is at its all-time high. It's in discovery mode, so it could go a lot higher. But if you do see a pullback, it could be a good time to get in something like Injective if you guys have had it on your watch list, and if you guys have been, looking into, a project like Injective, and if you wanted something that's another really good, promising layer one, crypto for this next coming bull run. And again, it has had a previous bull run, but considering the chart and what it's looking like and how it's just building their team, this could definitely be a really good performer in the up and coming bull run, and it's already showing that. So moving on from there, the second one we wanted to talk about today is Hello Labs. Guys, Hello Labs has been, for the longest time, it was consolidating like the 13 cents, 12 cents range. And believe it or not, so this is, I'm going to kind of give a lesson. I was actually potentially going to reallocate some of my Hello during this month consolidation, because I was like, man, it's not moving, it's not doing anything. Let me put it in something that's like a faster horse for initial, just like short-term profit. I wasn't gonna sell all of it, but as soon as before I pulled the trigger to sell, I was like, you know what? No, it's consolidating, and it's consolidating around all-time highs. Just let it do its thing. It'll pump when it's meant to. And sure enough, in the last day or so, it did. It did. It went from about 12 cents to 17 cents, breaking its, all-time high. And it's extremely bullish. I mean, look at the all-time chart, guys. Just nothing but overall up. And that's the type of cryptos you want to be in. Something that's new and has a narrative with its gaming and its dive into Hollywood and films and TV shows. You got the show, Killer Whales, that's gonna be coming out. It's got a lot of things that are coming, and that's something that you want to pay attention to when you're investing in these cryptos. You want to be looking at, their, what's the game plan? What's their, quote unquote, like, what's their roadmap? Do they have things that are coming out that are going to be adding to this story, this narrative? And this narrative and story is the biggest thing when it comes to crypto. Even if something has no fundamental value, if you believe in it, and if enough people believe in it, it is real, regardless of if it even if it deserves that type of price action. Look at the meme coins. Look at Dogecoin. Look what Shiba did in the last bull run. They absolutely have no utility, but because enough people believed in it and believed in this narrative, this meme, the underdog, it got to crazy, crazy price actions. But yes, the show Killer Whales, I believe, is coming out. Hello Labs they are behind, Killer Whales, and that should be coming out, I believe, sometime next year. And that's going to be really big for the Hello project and possible price action going forward. So guys, definitely look forward to that. Give this website a look if you guys have not looked at it yet. But yeah, guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little video talking about what I had noticed with, Hello being up, Injective being up for the day, and that's because of they were breaking a certain structure in their price action, so that's why they're up as opposed to the other cryptos. But again, I can't stress this enough. Pay attention to what other cryptos are doing when, you know, depending on what Bitcoin is doing. Are they pumping when Bitcoin's pumping? Are they dumping when Bitcoin's pumping? You know, not this doesn't mean that it's a bad project, but overall though, if your crypto is still down 99.9% and Bitcoin has gone and put in new highs and your crypto still hasn't moved, chances are it is not a good project. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I have more stuff coming soon. I should be coming out with an AI crypto portfolio. Like if you just invested in AI, what plays would you want? And I might do a couple other portfolios and then some overall portfolio reviews of if I had $1,000 to invest in, 5,000, 10,000, etc. So guys, I hope you like this. Before I get off, I am on Twitter, and you can follow me at the game cryptos. The game of cryptos on Twitter was already taken, so again, that's at the game cryptos. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I am starting to tweet and share stuff on there, so definitely go and give that a check. So guys, until next time, I hope you guys found this video informative, and I will catch you guys in the next video.